Hey, this is Roy from Cloud9 Classics here in Alpharetta, Georgia, inside the showroom today, checking out this absolutely gorgeous 1973 Ford Bronco. This is a Ranger package Bronco in its original color, hot ginger metallic, and it received a frame-off restoration about 6 years ago. However, when you look at this Bronco, you'd think the restoration was just done a few months ago. Absolutely gorgeous paint and body. Everywhere you look on this truck, it is beautiful. The Ranger package striping looks fantastic. It's actually painted on this truck, not a decal. At the time of restoration, the Bronco actually received a 2.5-inch suspension lift. They also added power brakes to it. We've got the original Marty report, shows you how this Bronco came originally. So it came originally pretty much exactly as you see, other than those slight modifications. Originally came out in Knoll English Ford, and that's evidenced on the Marty report as well. This one's got the 302 power steering, power brakes, and it has a dealer installed air conditioning unit, so it's loaded up. Look down the side of that body. Super straight. All your body gaps are excellent. We also have the hard top for this Bronco, and that's also been restored. Looks beautiful on it. But we installed a roll bar and the bikini top, because let's face it, the way to enjoy these Broncos is top off as much as possible. Give you a look at that interior. Beautiful silver grille with the Ford red letters. Nice touch. There's your striping on the hood. That looks awesome. Undercarriage looks fantastic. Original floor pans. Everything is rock solid on this Bronco. You'll also see the engine bay pictures. Very highly detailed engine bay. So here's your interior. It's got the, it's been completely redone, of course, but it's got the original ginger houndstooth interior on this one. Door panels look excellent. It's got the very rare rear interior panels to match. Factory original back seat. The only change we made here on the interior is we added this 14-inch beautiful wood grain steering wheel. We do have the original steering wheel. The smaller wheel makes it a little bit easier getting in and out of these babies, and handling is nice. I'll let you hear it start up and running. Fires right up and turn the key. Stock single exhaust. So this one's just a quiet, super nice cruiser. Everyone knows these are great investments. This one is a top of the line choice. Let you hear it running. If you're in the market for a Bronco, you love the original, uncut, slightly lifted style. This one's called a Luber, lifted uncut Bronco. This baby is one you do not want to miss. If you have any questions, feel free to give me a call. My number is 770-359-8400. I should mention, we've got great original documentation. We've got the original window sticker. I've got the Marty report. Anything you need to know on this Bronco, feel free to give me a call. Thanks very much and good luck.